Unlocking the power of your people data starts now. Let's dive into creating insightful reports in UKG Pro. First, log into UKG Pro and locate the Reports or Analytics section, usually found on the main dashboard or within the navigation menu. Next, explore the different report categories such as payroll, HR, benefits, and time management to find the area relevant to your data needs. Now, browse through the pre-built report templates available. UKG Pro offers a variety of standard reports that can be a great starting point. To tailor your report, specify the parameters. This includes setting date ranges, selecting specific employee groups, and choosing the desired data fields. For highly specific needs, create a custom report. This usually involves selecting a data source and then dragging and dropping the fields you want to include. Automate your reporting by scheduling reports for automatic generation and distribution set to frequency, recipients, and start date. Finally, export your report in your preferred format. PDF is great for presentations, while CSV allows for further analysis in programs like Excel. Now you are on your way to better data-driven decisions.